Hello, traders. Welcome to Trade Forex with Gabe, and this is the weekly Forex forecast for June 5th through to June the 9th. We will be looking at market setups, trading opportunities for the week ahead. As always, we would like to start by checking out the economic calendar for the week. And pretty much on Monday, we have a clean run, except on CHF Swiss franc, where we'll see the CPI data coming out for Swiss franc, and also ISM services PMI data for the United States dollar. And on Tuesday, we'll see the interest rate decision for Reserve Bank of Australia and those trading this pair. We will be looking at the trading setup as it fits this particular pair. On Wednesday, we have further news coming out from the Reserve Bank of Australia, where the Governor Lowy will be speaking, and also we'll have the GDP data coming out also on that particular pair. Then on second interest rates would have for the week will be from the Bank of Canada, where we'll see the interest rate decision. Will they be hiking? Well, market says they may not be hiking interest rates, but we'll see how that will be on Wednesday. Thursday, clean run, and on Friday also we would have unemployment change for the Canadian dollar. So we will be planning our trade around these two interest rate decisions. Aside that, every other pair is looking to have a clean run for the week, and we'll see exactly how that plays out with the charts and with the market conditions that we have. So next on the line, we will be looking at the currency strength outlook for the week. And last week, we saw lots of volatility across almost all pairs, but some of them still retained their strength. Some gained more strength, while some lost, especially looking at NZD, that the New Zealand dollar lost a lot of strength for the week. But to make sense of all of this, we need to look at, compare it with the data from the previous week. And looking at the data from the previous week, which is May 29th through to June 2nd, you will see Canadian dollar moving from the weakness zone, okay, with a score of negative 0.5 through to the strength zone of 2.0. As a matter of fact, it's coming out at the strongest pair for the week. We see Great Britain pound from last week, it was scoring 0.9, and this week is scoring 1.5. And United States dollar lost some strength, but overall, we still believe that the United States dollar still has a lot of momentum to play out in the weeks ahead. It moved from 2.6, lost some strength to 1.1. And then Swiss franc also lost some strength from 2.8 to 1.1. While Australian dollar gained some strength from negative 2.1 to negative 0.1. The euro lost some strength. And then New Zealand dollar maintained the score of negative 2.5, and then the Japanese yen maintaining its score on as the weakest currency for the week again. Last week, it also was the weakest currency for the week. So putting this in perspective, we have the biggest positive to negative net change. And for this week, I'll be looking or concentrating my efforts or attention on Canadian dollar to the upside, Great Britain pound to the upside, Swiss franc to the upside, and United States dollar to the upside, while I'll be matching these pairs with the negative currencies for the week, which is euro, New Zealand dollar, and Japanese yen. Okay, so this is the combination for the week, and I will be showing you exactly what pairs gave me the best outlook for the week ahead. So let's look at the top Forex market setups for the week. And from my analysis, I see great Canadian dollar, Japanese yen long, but then remember we have an interest rate decision on Canadian dollar. So plan your trades around that before Wednesday, where we'll have this interest rate decision. Well, I will be showing you exactly my thoughts on this particular pair. We also have the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc, where I'll be looking to short. We have New Zealand dollar against United States dollar. I'll also be looking to short. Then we have Australian dollar against the United States dollar. I'll also be looking to short, but don't forget, we have Australian Reserve Bank of Australia will be giving out their interest rate decisions. It's good pose a lot of volatility against Australian dollars. Please don't forget to plan your trades around this interest rate decision. Then I'll also be looking to go long on Great Britain pound against Japanese yen, and then Swiss franc against Japanese yen long, and then United States dollar against Japanese yen long. So let's start with the first one as we jump into the charts, and we'll be looking at Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. So let's start off Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, which will be the first pair we'll be looking at. So on this pair, we saw last week we smashed the last high with a with good strong momentum on to the upside. I will be looking for some retracement, maybe a retest, but don't forget sometimes we have an aggressive breakout and we could just see price rally up to the profit target for the week, and that target is 105.400 level. So you can plan your trade around this part, and what we have on the to run this is over 113 pips. So this for the week is more than enough. But if you want to get a good risk to reward ratio, if price should make a retracement to the 103.50 level, then you will be having a better risk to reward ratio for your trade. Next on the line is New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, and let's go to that part. Okay, so we have the second pair, which is New Zealand dollar against Swiss franc. I'll be looking to go short on this pair. Last week, this was an interesting pair for me. I think it was 2 weeks back where we had the breakout on this double top pattern. If you look at it on the daily chart, you will see that this is really structured to the downside. So I'm still expecting more sell-off on this pair, at least to take out the last low, and which is around this level 0.54471, and then also take out the real last low, if I may use that word, and that is the 0.5434 level. So we already had that profit taking. You see that we had that massive sell-off. We had some nice profit taking, and we saw that retracement. Right now, I believe market is geared up for another round of sell-off. We should, this is 58 pips, and then we have 69 pips to the downside. Okay, now we will be looking at the next pair, which is NZD USD. NZD USD, just a moment. Okay, so NZD USD, this was a nice pair we traded last week. Okay, let me show you the bigger picture. We had this channel breakout, and I'm looking for price to drop to the 0.5901 level. Last week, we saw that sell-off, and then I think with NFP, we saw a massive rally again on the on New Zealand dollar. Right now, I believe this could be considered as the retest. Let me see exactly if we have price touching. Yeah, so that's it. So we have a retest of the last from the breakout level. Okay, so we had that retest, and I believe price is on its way down again to our profit target, original profit target, which is from the breakout of this channel. That's the channel you'll find on D1. Okay, so I believe price will be dropping to that level. So traders, watch out for this trade. Really nice setup. Next on the list is Australian dollar, United States dollar. So this is it. And again, it was a nice trade from last week. Yes, we had a nice sell-off after we saw the breakout from this channel. Now look at the big picture on D1. So this is the channel we saw from the previous week, and we started trading it. Okay, we started trading it to the downside. But then we had that correction last week. So right now, I will be looking to short this pair again, and this is the ultimate profit target for me. The 0.6388 level. That's a lot. Let me see. About 200 pips sell-off we're expecting. Okay. So really nice pair, structure to the downside and everything. The price action on this pair still suggests that we will be seeing more sell-off. But then with the interest rate decision, don't forget, interest rates can change market structure and shatter all price action setups you may have. So plan your trade around that interest rate decision, guys. Next on the line is Great Britain pounds against Japanese yen. Let's get there. GBP, JPY, there you are. And on this pair, still looking to go long further. We were almost at the profit target after the breakout of this. I traded it, I think it was 2 weeks back, yes. But then it didn't come up, it didn't pop up as a top priority trade for last week. So again, it's coming out as a good trade for the week, but then the profit target is almost there because this profit target is stemming from the breakout of this particular channel. So we will be seeing it hit the target of 175.39 level. Okay. And next on the line is Swiss franc, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, JPY. Let's get it out here. Swiss franc JPY, we already see price take out our profit target. Okay, this was it was a bit lower. This profit target is the new one for the week where I'm expecting price, to smash the new high. Okay, because Swiss franc is coming out still strong. Japanese yen is still very weak, so I'm expecting price to rally up, take out the last high. All right, that's a very conservative target. How many pips is that? About 149 pips. It's still good enough for if you can catch 149, 150 pips in a week. I believe that's a home run, yes. And last but not the least is USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen, let me get there. USD JPY, nice, interesting setup here. We have price trading along this channel. Look at the big picture. And what I will expect to see, if price could break out from this flag pattern, okay? Price could break out from this flag pattern. The price, the profit target for this flag pattern is exactly at 141.36. So let's look at that. USD strong, Japanese yen weak. So within the week, we should see a breakout, or maybe, just maybe, we could still see more consolidation before the final breakout towards the target we anticipate. So traders, that's the market setup for the week based on our analysis and based on currency strength outlook. So you have it. Why not use your own trading strategies, adopt your own trading strategies for your entries? But this is what we believe will be playing out for the week ahead. So do have a fantastic week ahead. Have a peaceful week, and don't forget to factor in all risk as you trade and use best risk management principles as it applies to your strategy. All right, until next week, have a great week ahead. Thank you. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this link to a friend, a trader, if it has helped you to make money. Thank you. Bye-bye.